Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made my charms. I actually made this quite a while ago and we are going to take a time trip to last year. I don't have a clear image or a plan. You start from nothing and it becomes something as a surprise. A lot of my work that I've shown you guys are watercolor paintings. I like making little sculptures and clay friends once in a while. I like seeing my work transform from 2D to 3D objects, and they are usually in the form of abstract shapes and curious characters. Also, one thing about me is that I can't make the same thing or same design over and over. I don't know why, but I am just designed that way. I like having each little thing its own story and characters. Even though these are super small objects, I like giving them some life. I like feeling like I am creating something new all the time. This air dry clay is actually very light and lasts pretty long. Now that these abstract white things are complete, it is time to color. Coloring is when I really see the true shapes and designs. I always feel like I have an emotional superpower when using colors. I think colors and abstract shapes give such a strong story. They give more characters and provide emotions to these guys. And I am not trying to make these anyway perfect. It is just fun to make little things like this. They don't need to be anything serious. They're just happy little sculptures that I enjoy making sometimes. With glazing, there are many options you can do. I personally find resin challenging and smelly. I know that it is a standard thing to do. I tried it before, it just is not my thing. Instead, I used this triple thick gloss as my option, and it has been working pretty great in my opinion. I have made hundreds of these and they are very strong and sturdy. After the second or third coating of the glaze, I waited about 2 days until it is completely dry. And I use beads and threads and a bunch of other decorative things I can find to add details. I made them into necklaces and few sculptures, jewelries, earrings. I am planning on making Tubi's house, which is going to be a star-shaped house. It is going to be fun and kind of a big project. I am saving it for 1,000 subscribers. So if you're listening to this, give me a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section that you're here. Thank you. How's your spring going? So my spring here has been really nice. There are so many flowers and it's just really pretty everywhere and it's making me really happy and nice. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!